Roofing scams are everywhere, so if a company is pushing you to sign paperwork for a new roof without clear costs or insurance confirmation, you gotta be super careful. Alright, here's the deal. First, never rush into signing anything without seeing the actual document in your hands. You want to know exactly what you're agreeing to, right? Next, always get at least 3 quotes from roofing companies you actually pick yourself, not just the first one that shows up. Double check your homeowner's insurance policy before calling them. Know your deductible and what exactly they cover. When a company says insurance will pay for a new roof, that's a huge red flag unless your roof got damaged by a storm recently. If they won't give you a copy of the contract or an estimate, walk away. You should always speak directly with your insurance company before agreeing to anything. Also, don't let anyone pressure you by saying you have only a few days to decide. Legit companies understand you need time to think. Lastly, keep your family involved. Having someone else there when they come back can help keep things honest. One of the biggest roofing scam red flags is when companies say insurance will cover a roof replacement without any proof or inspection report from your insurer. To fix this, call your insurance company yourself and get everything in writing. Another common mistake is signing contracts on the spot without reading them carefully. Always ask for a copy and review it slowly at home. The third issue is trusting a company just because they have good reviews online. Scammers can fake reviews easily. Instead, ask friends or neighbors for recommendations and check local licensing and insurance before hiring anyone. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who won't try to pull any fast ones on you. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with real clients looking for quality work, so everyone wins.